So let's create it. Let's create a folder, ICO. Here we have sophomore track folder. Inside it I will create ICO folder. Now let's move on to that folder and then create another folder inside it, which is hard hat tutorial. Let's create a new folder, hard hat tutorial inside it, and let's open an integrated terminal. Okay, now let's run the command, init command, yarn init. I have it installed, that's why I am running init command. Let's just create it. Okay, if you write it like that then it will not going to ask you these questions. Okay, now let's install red hat yarn add hard hat, sorry, red hat and hard hat is just mixed up. Do let me in your comment that if you are facing any issues in this tutorial or previous tutorials, let me know. It is solved successfully. Now let's move on by running this command, which will create a sample application. Just press enter and you will see the application is created as a smart contract. You can delete that smart contract, that we will not going to use this. Here it's suggesting us to install this dependency. Let's install it. So we do require it when we're going to deploy so smart contract. I've copied it and let's run this command. Install all the dependencies. Let's just this dependency install. After this dependency we will going to add this package also. Let's create a smart contract as suggested by the documentation. Let's just paste this smart contract here. Here it is, created it, and now let's create another smart contract inside it. Just copy it and paste it here, save it. let's let it complete first. Okay, it's completed. Now let's another package, add another package here. Yarn add Kaplan. Okay, so what is this package for? We have already used in last tutorial. I think we have used ERC21. So what OpenZeppelin provide? OpenZeppelin importing OpenZeppelin ERC20 contract and ERC20 honorable contract in our crypto token dApp contract. We will need to call contract that you deploy for the previous level to check the owners of the crypto dApp NFTs. As we also need to call token of owner by index and balance of methods, we can create an interface of crypto dev contract with only these two functions. This way we save cache and we do not need to inherit and deploy entire crypto dev contract, but only part of it. So what we are going to do is we are going to use the previously created contract, and then we will going to use it in this smart contract, the one that we have created in uh, NFT collection. So there it is. We have created an interface and use these contracts that we want to use it from our last contract, last tutorial contract, which is build an NFT collection. Now let's move on. Yes, it's completed. We have copied this file. Now add another extension, which is .env, which needs to create an env file in which we will going to put our quick note http url and private key. So let's install it. Yarn add